Welcome to Nature at Doorstep. In today's video, we are going to see how to protect yourself from corona using herbal steam inhalation. I'm sure everybody might be aware of corona and what it is doing to our people now. Though we all are taking precautionary steps, still, somewhere in the back of our mind, this fear of how do I protect myself and safeguard my family members from this corona, it still prevails, right? After having long back to back discussions with the doctors, one thing I got very much cleared. The more hygienic we are, and the more precautionary steps we take in the form of steam inhalation and having healthy and nutritious food for boosting our immunity. And these are few things that will actually help us in protecting us from any disease. In simple words, doctors say it as the more your immunity power is, the more safe you are. In this video, you will see one of the major precautionary steps which you and your family members can follow to protect yourself from corona, and that is through herbal steam inhalation. Here, we are going to see three medicinal plants, and the first being eucalyptus. Eucalyptus trees has got numerous benefits because of its strong, healthy peppermint aroma and because of its antibacterial, antifungal, and antiviral properties. This eucalyptus is acting as one of the main key ingredient in any cold and cough medicine. Whenever you see an eucalyptus tree, you might have noticed this kind of bark rolling out. And this is a natural phenomenon to any healthy eucalyptus tree. And don't worry if a eucalyptus tree is shedding bark, it's actually favoring you. This bark, when soaked in hot water, it gives out a nice dark reddish color. And this water is now an astringent. And taking bath with this hot water will also get you relief from muscle and joint pain. Do you believe that? And coming to leaves, these leaves are the best treatment that you can give to all kind of respiratory problems, be it cold, cough, sore throat, asthma, influenza, sinus, congestion, and whatnot. If you have headache, just pluck these leaves, crush the leaves, and smell its aroma. Instant relief you will get. Or if you have sinus, do steam inhalation with these leaves. And if you have so many mosquitoes coming to your home, don't worry, there is a simple remedy. Just burn these dry leaves. Instantly, you'll see all the mosquitoes vanishing. And in fact, inhaling the smell is actually good for your health. I've plucked few leaves from this tree. Next, we are going to see about tulsi leaves. Tulsi plants are considered holy, and that's because it's a natural immunity booster for indigestion and for all kind of cardiovascular problems like stress, stroke, hypertension. Start munching 3 or 4 tulsi leaves daily early in the morning. And if you want to reduce your weight, then start having tulsi tea. And if you have severe cold and cough, then add little honey and grated ginger to the juice of tulsi leaves and have a tablespoon of this concoction in empty stomach early in the morning and before going to sleep. Continue this for 3 to 4 days and you can literally see the cough getting subsided. I'm going to pluck few of these leaves for a herbal steam inhalation. And next we are going to see about ajwain. The smell of these leaves has got a strong distinctive minty aroma. And you know something? These leaves they help to eliminate toxins from our body and promote perspiration. And not only that, they help to increase the absorption of nutrients in our body. And they also help in regulating female menstruation. If you can bear that strong mint and spicy mixed flavor, you can very well munch on the leaves for cold and cough after washing it. And for small kids, you can take the juice of these leaves and apply it on their chest to get them relief from congestion. And you can make bhaji also out of these leaves. Especially during winters. Rasam made out of these leaves is good for common cold and throat infection. A lot of medicinal properties are there, and the way you consume it is up to you. I'm going to pluck few of these leaves now for a herbal steam inhalation. I've washed all the leaves that we have plucked now, and for steaming, boil water well and start adding all the washed leaves one by one. I repeat, washed leaves. That's because there might be small insects or spider webs attached to the leaves. And since we are going to inhale the steam from these leaves, it is always better on a precautionary measure to wash the leaves before adding it to the boiling water. And always remember to close the bowl with the lid after adding all the leaves so that its essence doesn't get evaporated. And let it boil for another 5 to 10 minutes. If a person is suffering from severe nasal allergy or any kind of bronchital related issues like asthma, sinus, common cold, flu, headache, cold, cough, congestion, or any kind of respiratory illness, the best instant remedy that we can give them is steam inhalation. The hot moisture that we inhale during steam inhalation will actually help to thin the mucus and empty the nasal blocks, thereby allowing us to breathe easily and return back to normal breathing routine at least for a short period of time. And this steam inhalation also cleanses your face by killing the superficial bacteria and opening up our facial pores. To get 100% benefit from steam inhalation, there are just two things that you'll have to keep in mind. First, cover yourself with a thick cloth while taking steam inhalation so that the steam doesn't escape. And the second, everybody tend to wash their face immediately with a cold water after taking steam, but never do that. If you spray cold water on a hot flushed face, chances are that you get back the headache in full swing. So wait for at least 10 minutes before washing your face. Steam inhalation is completely safe. Anyone can take steam, starting with kids, youngsters, or elders. And you can even take steam 3 to 4 times in a day to get yourself relief from cold and cough. And for little ones who are less than 5 years old, don't worry on how to take steam for them. I have a solution. Just create a sauna kind of a setup in your washtub. It's very simple to do actually. Open the hot water tap and place a bucket underneath and close your washroom. Let the steam from the hot water let it fill the entire room. And once you feel your bucket is full and the room is filled with steam, take a little one inside and you also sit in a corner and start interacting with your kid. You can carry some toys also, some of their favorite toys to divert the attention. And the motto is the more the kid opens their mouth and close and inhale the steam, they'll actually feel better from the congestion. Inhaling the steam will actually help the kid release the phlegm through the mouth or nose. And that's how the kid will feel comfortable from congestion. It will actually help them loosen their mucous membrane. Do try it at your home. With the parents around, the kids will also feel comfortable. And parallelly, our motive of getting our kids steam inhalation to get them relief from cold, cough, and congestion will also be done. If you feel the entire process of steam inhalation is a tiresome job, then the easiest method is pluck a bunch of eucalyptus leaves and hang it anywhere inside your washroom, be it on a shower or a tap or in any corner. As said before, the eucalyptus aroma and the steam is more like a sauna bath. With corona around, the more gargling we do and the more steam inhalation we take is the best home remedy that we can do to protect ourselves from this dangerous disease. I hope you like my video, and if you find the video useful, please do like, subscribe and share it with all your near and dear ones. And don't forget to click the bell icon for getting the notifications on my upcoming videos. Let's stay connected to nature. Thank you.